Multani Business Passage number 14. Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I would remind you that our policy for over 20 years has been an endure to provide stable employment for our employees, full stop. To do this, our manufacturing range has been widened and our distributing activities separate all over the world in such a way as to ensure that a fall in demand for any particular product or a financial or economic crisis in any part of the globe, should not have a serious effect on the activities of our company, full stop. Paragraph. I must however point out that since we initiated this policy, a state of national full employment in has developed, which has decreased the pool of available labor and the stocks of raw materials, full stop. The rate, and indeed the possibility, of further industrial expansion will therefore be difficult and slower, and the problem for the future will be how best to join our resources and labor supplies to meet the needs which may arise, full stop. This must involve controls of one kind or another from time to time, or perhaps continuously, but it is essential that they should be skillfully applied, so as to avoid either the discouragement of initiative or a feeling of depression among employers, which is likely to arise from the frustration of their efforts by people, full stop, who have no direct responsibility for results, full stop. Paragraph. It is also essential that workers in all industries should realize that full employment cannot mean that they will continue to be employed on the same job, full stop. This would entail national segregation, of course, it is wise, whenever possible, to take the job to the man, but efficient production today, in competition with other firms at home and abroad, requires special equipment, and this fact, when considered against this background of full employment, means that it must sometimes be necessary for workers to move from place to place to meet their country's economic and defense needs, full stop. One word on materials, full stop. It is pointless for politicians or anyone else to talk about improvement in standard of living and the necessary increase in output to bring this about unless all the materials are available, full stop. The question of meeting these needs with supplies of necessary materials in adequate volume is a vital problem for industry and a task for wise government action, full stop. The requirements of the defense program have presented us with the problem of maintaining a just balance between the various immediate demands, full stop.